Google in talks to sell AI chips to Meta for billions. Alphabet is in talks with Meta Platforms about a multi-billion-dollar deal to supply custom AI chips for Meta's data centers, marking a strategic shift as Google moves to challenge NVIDIA's dominance in the AI infrastructure market, the information reported Monday evening. Under the proposed arrangement, Meta would deploy Google's Tensor processing units in its own facilities starting in 2027, while also planning to rent TPU capacity from Google Cloud as early as next year. The deal represents a significant departure from Google's long-standing approach of restricting its TPUs exclusively to cloud rentals through Google Cloud Platform. Following the announcement, Alphabet stock rose 2.1 to 2.5% in after-hours trading on Monday, while NVIDIA shares fell 1.8%. The stock movement came after Alphabet shares had already surged more than 6% during the regular session, driven by positive reception to its recently launched Gemini 3 AI model. Google is actively pitching TPUs to a range of potential customers beyond Meta, including high-frequency trading firms and major financial institutions, emphasizing that on-premises deployment can help organizations meet stringent security and compliance requirements. Meta currently relies primarily on NVIDIA GPUs to power its massive AI infrastructure, which serves more than 3 billion daily users across its applications. Google Cloud executives believe that expanding TPU adoption could enable the company to capture up to 10% of NVIDIA's annual revenue, representing billions of dollars in potential gains. The push comes as global demand for AI computing continues to surge and supply constraints persist across the industry. Intensifying competition. The potential Meta deal would validate Google's decade-long investment in custom AI chips. Google recently launched Ironwood, its 7th-generation TPU, which the company claims delivers 4 times the performance of its predecessor and is nearly 30 times more energy efficient than its first cloud TPU from 2018. In October, Anthropic committed to accessing up to 1 million of Google's TPUs in a deal valued at tens of billions of dollars. The AI startup cited TPU's price performance and efficiency as key factors in its decision. Google partners with Broadcom for TPU design and manufacturing, with Broadcom stock surging 10% on Monday following positive sentiment around Google's AI momentum.